You've heard people making money in Forex, but nobody tells you how to actually start. In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna break it down so simple a 7th grader could trade it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Forex trading works and how beginners can win. Most beginners lose money in Forex because they enter too fast. They see the price exploding up and feel like they're missing out, and they start to smash that buy button. But right after they enter, the market flips. That's not a coincidence. That's them buying at the top, and it's the fastest way that you lose everything. The strategy that fixes this is called the pullback entry. It's what real traders use when they want to stop chasing and start winning. Imagine GBP USD is flying up and it looks unstoppable. But instead of buying into the hype, you mark your support zone and you stay patient. You wait for one red candle to pull back into that zone. That red candle is the breath before the bounce. Now, you watch closely if the next candle turns bullish and closes strong. Then you've got your confirmation. And that's what makes this strategy so powerful. Use a 5-minute or a 15-minute chart. Look for a long wick that dips into your zone and shows you rejection. Then wait for a full candle to close above it. Enter on the close with a tight stop loss. It's about catching the bounce with a structure on your side. Strategy 2, Breakin Retest. The blueprint for timing the market. If pullbacks are your jab, Breakin Retest is your knockout punch. The strategy isn't about guessing tops or bottom. It's about waiting for proof. You let price break through a key level and then you just wait. And if that key level holds when price comes back to it, that's your confirmation. That's going to be your entry. Think about Euro USD pushing through 1.08500, a strong resistance. Every rookie sees this breakout and then buys instantly. But smart traders, they're going to wait, because when resistance becomes support, the market is going to show you its hand. The key word here is retest. The retest is like the market knocking on the door twice. And when it doesn't break on the second knock, that's your green light. So what are you looking for on the retest? You want a strong candle to close in your favor. And only then, that's when you enter. Your stop loss, it goes right under the retest wick. Because you waited for evidence. You didn't trade the hype, you traded the reaction. So Breakin Retest works everywhere. 5-minute chart to 4-hour charts, the daily time frame, it doesn't really matter. The only thing that changes is the speed. The structure stays the same. Break the level, retest the level, enter with confirmation. It's simple. We're about to go deep into market psychology, fake outs, high probability entries. This is where real traders are going to make their moves. Strategy 3, Confluence. Stack the odds in your favor. Let me ask you something. Why rely on one signal when you could have 3? Confluence means combining multiple signs that all point to the same trend. Not just support, not just a pattern, but support, trend line, candlesticks, and the RSI all lining up at once. It's not guessing, that's stacking odds in your favor. So here's how the pros do it. They start with the big picture. Then they check indicators like the RSI to see if it's oversold. If yes, then now we're talking. Each piece on its own is just noise. But when 3 or 4 things all align in the same zone, that's your signal. That's what makes a weak setup turn into a high probability trade. And that's how you go from gambling to being precise. Most beginners enter off of one reason and they see a green candle and they just hit buy. But the pros don't care about one reason. They wait, they watch, and then they build their case. When 3 things say go, that's when they go. And when nothing lines up, they just sit out. Every layer of confirmation is like putting armor on your setup. And when the market moves against you, which it sometimes will, you're protected. Your risk is calculated, your losses are smaller, and your wins, they start to rule. And speaking of wins that run, what good is a perfect entry if you panic and exit too early? So the next strategy is what separates fast exits from real profits. It's how pros hold on to winning trades longer without getting shaken out. You're about to learn the skill of letting your trades breathe. Strategy 4. The Breakin Retest, smart entries only. You ever buy a breakout and get slapped instantly? Like the second you enter, the market reverses and wrecks your stop loss? It's not bad luck, it's a fake out. Most breakouts fail because traders jump in too early. Some traders wait for the retest. That's where the real money hides. So here's the setup. The retest is everything. If price bounces off that zone and holds strong, that's going to be your entry. You're not reacting to hype, you're confirming structure. Your stop loss is tight, just below that level, and your risk to reward way more favorable than chasing a breakout. You can run this strategy on any time frame. 5-minute, 15-minute, 4-hour, it works the same because the logic doesn't change. That's why the professional traders love it. It's not the flashiest move in trading, but it might be the most consistent. You're not trying to predict where price will go, you're letting the market prove itself and then stepping in with control. And when you combine this with Confluence, multiple confirmations lining up, you stop losing on your dumb trades. You start trading with purpose. Forex ain't about luck, it's about timing, discipline, and knowing your edge. Whether you're scalping momentum or catching the cleanest break and retest setups, the game rewards those that are patient and punishes the greedy. So study the chart, take your time, and treat this like a skill, not a lottery ticket. If you got value from this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Peace.